Hello, PMA students and parents, and AQUIS students and parents. Mike Reed here. I just wanted to reach out. We have a couple of events coming up that are pretty important. We have our open house. We're super excited about it. This Saturday, we have a wide variety of events. We've made several announcements about it, but there's something for kids, there's something for adults. We got the raffles, we got adult events, we got Tai Chi and Qigong, we got kids workshops, we got board breaking, and then we got tricking. So a lot of stuff. Also, next week we have our Nerf Wars Parents Night Out. Parents, that is the most popular event that we have in terms of Parents Night Out. So please register your kids a little bit earlier for that if you can, so that we will know what to do. We have testing coming up at the end of the month, and then we have testing registration deadline before the late fee edition starts up on Saturday. I have heard that there are some people having difficulty with registration. I do have registrations coming in from all different programs, so please let me know what the difficulties you are having, so that we might be able to get the website adjusted. I can then speak to the webmaster and we get those things worked out, but I have to know what the problem is, so please let me know about that. Don't forget, on Saturday there's a late fee of $10 added on to the testing, so if you know your child's testing, let's go ahead and get them registered. You can also register here at the school, as we are capable of taking registration here and so forth. So those are our major events that we have coming up. We're looking forward this weekend. It's going to be a lot of fun. We get to showcase some of the kids doing some stuff. The kids get to have a good time. The tricking is something that's really, really cool to your kids. That's the flipping and turning and twisting. Andre Haskett, one of our older students here, is going to come back and going to teach that lesson for us, and that's going to be fantastic. So that's all I got for you guys right now. Terima kasih. Aloha. One love.